How's it going, guys? Today I got a little quick unboxing. You guys know what this is. It's a Chaves pen. It's actually my first pen or anything of Chaves, but I actually saw it on their website and I just really thought it looked really clean. All titanium. I really like this clip. I don't know, I thought it looked pretty cool. And then these little holes right here, they're called dots. The pen isn't actually that heavy. You know, I'm not really into EDC like that, but I am into titanium. I always tend to carry my Leatherman. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but this is a Leatherman charged titanium. And I got it like custom as well. But yeah, I mean, I always try to carry it with me. And you guys already know hard work pays off. And I think this pen would really match with me, with my small EDC. It's constructed a little different. It says it's able to accept all size refills from many big brands, but it's just the normal barrel right there. So that goes in there. That's how it looks. I was wondering how they made this, but that's pretty cool.
There.
So that's how it looks. It's just very simple. Tell me if you guys would get one. These run for $139 out the door. This is the bolt. This is actually the clicker. There's a bolt action one, but I wasn't able to find that. It's the only one they have in stock. This one, and they have one that has dots and it has more lines up coming up. And they have another one as well that has like little things going over there. But I think this one looks the best. Not gonna annoy anybody because I like to click pens a lot. So, thank you guys for watching. Take care.